Hello everyone. So this is a homogeneous equation or non-homogeneous equations according to value for the find out for the k value. So by the way, same procedure for the previous problem is also we can apply. So first of all, easy method. Otherwise, in IP level, first of all, determinant of a that is equal to 0. Consistency according to our question is consistency. Then a plus b. So definitely completely result after the numerical results. A, B, C, D option is a numerical results. The completely solution will be find out. So how to find out for the solutions? So within 1 minute, how to find out? So that is a very simple. First of all, you are write down for the values, consistency. When you are consistency, inconsistency. First of all, consistency. Find out for the augmented matrix. So how to find out for the augmented matrices? So we can construction for the solution. That solution is AD. Is equal to augmented matrix. So first of all, here is a write down. What is that? 1, 2, 1, 1. Next 1, 3, 4, k. Next 1, 5, 10, k square. That is your primary duty. Next here is R2 tends to R2 minus R1. R3 tends to R3 minus R1. R3 minus R1. So what is the answer? Here is as it is 1, 2, 1, 1. Next here is 1 minus 1, 0. 3 minus 2, 1. 4 minus 1, 3. Here is k minus 1. Next here is 1 minus 1, 0. 5 minus 2, 3. 10 minus 1, no, 9. Here is k square minus 1. Isn't it? Next, here is 0. When you are 0, R3 tends to R3 minus 3 R2 because of here multiplied by 3. There is no use for the R1 because of this number. So that is a R3 means 3 minus 3. So here is 0. Here is multiplied by 3. Here is 0. So that is our convenient AD is equal to first of all I have for 1, 2, 1, 1. 1, 2, 1, 1. Next to 0, 1, 3, k minus 1. Here is 0. Here is 0. Here is 0. Because multiplied by this 3 minus 3, 0. 9 here is. So completely multiplied by R2 is a 3. So 3 1 3. 3 minus 3, 0. 3. 9 minus 3, 0. K square minus 1. Minus 3k minus half minus means here is k square minus 3k plus 2. According to your question, that is a key point is consistency. What is a consistency means? Here is a must and should be equal to 0. What is that? K square minus 3k plus 2 is equal to 0. K is equal to 1 comma 2. According to your question, capital A, capital B. Not only here is A, here is also B or A, whatever it may be. So that is condition A plus B, 1 plus 2 that is equal to 3 is the answer. A is the correct. If in case inconsistency, that should be not equal to 0. K not equal to 1 comma 2. Inconsistency according to your question. But here consistency it should be 0. Here is 0 means K value will be found out. K will two values, that is one is A, another is B. Otherwise here is a B, here is A. Sum of the values 3. Answer A is the correct. So what value of A? These type of problems, that is the non-homogeneous equations. Non-homogeneous equations 3 types, either unique solution, infinite number of solutions, no solutions. When you are unique solution, rank of A is equal to rank of AD is equal to unknowns. That is called unique solution. Means nothing but first of all you are find out for the simple determinant will be find out. So determinant not equal to 0 it is called unique solution. So according to your question, so what is that? Determinant not equal to 0. Why? Because of unique solutions. That is a type of AX is equal to D form. 3 cases. Here is the determinant not equal to 0. Unique solutions, infinite number of solutions, no solution. Row transformation. Then in the process. So very simple. So that is A is equal to what is that? 1, 1, 1. First of all A matrix. Next to 2, 3, 2. Next to 1, 1, 2 into this. here is multiplied by A. Very simple process, that is the determinant of A. Here is also determinant, here is also determinant into A. A will be multiplied. So determinant not equal to 0. Here is also not equal to 0. Simple. Time, don't time waste. Here is 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. As it is 2, 3, 2. As it is A will be common. 1, 1, 2. 1, 1, 2. So determinant not equal to 0. Determinant not equal to 0 means A is non-zero. A means A is not equal to 0. A not equal to 0 means for all in A belongs to R, any number except to 0. R minus singleton 0 is a right answer. That is a B is a correct. So this is a non-homogeneous equations. How to find out for these solutions? Exact solutions, no solutions, unique solutions, infinite number of solutions. You have to remember that. So when you are decided, first of all you are done for the augmented matrix, only single step. So that is solution A D is equal to, what is the first one? Here is 1, minus 2, 3, 5, next 2, minus 2, 1, 0, minus 1, 2, minus 3, 6. So that is, here is R2 tends to, first of all, echelon form, that means R2 tends to R2 minus 2R1, R3 tends to R3 plus R1 because of minus 1 plus 1 0. So that is a single step. 1 minus 2 3 5. Second one 0 because of 2 minus 2 0. Here is minus 2 minus into minus plus 2 2s are 4. Minus 2 means here is 2. Next here is R2 1 minus 3 2s are minus 6 means here is minus 5. Next here is 0 minus 10. Next here is adding 0. Next 0. Next 0. Next 5 plus 6 11. That is the answer, is very important. So that is, here is a number 0 into something, 0 into something, 0 into something is equal to number is highly impossible. So that means rank of A is equal to 2. Rank of AD is equal to 3. Rank of A not equal to rank of AD is equal to 3. Number of unknowns. So that means rank of A is 2. Rank of AD is 3. But not equal to. Third case means I already told that there is a no solutions will be exist. In this session, that is the first problem. These type of problems, non-homogeneous equations or homogeneous equations, how to find out for these solutions, either unique solution, infinite number of solutions, no solutions. So I will give one formula. You have to remember that in MCET purpose, any problem we can apply. So what is the formula? Ax is equal to D form. Ax is equal to D. Ax is equal to D form. Three cases will be arised. So that is a determinant not equal to 0, unique solutions. Determinant is equal to 0, infinite number of solutions. This is a no solutions. When you have no solutions, that means rank of A is equal to rank of AD is equal to n. It is called unique solutions because of augmented matrix. So small matrix of rank of A is equal to rank of AD is equal to unknowns. It is called unique solutions. Rank of A is equal to rank of AD is less than n. Infinite number of solutions. Rank of A not equal to rank of AD. Rank of A not equal to rank of AD. It is called no solutions exist. So for suppose in the matrix we are convenient for the 3 by 3 matrix. First of all 3 by 3. So this is a non-homogeneous equation B1, B2 and B3. B1, B2, B3. Row transformation, here is 0, here is 0, here is 0. Here 0, 0, 0. But this is a number highly impossible. So because of rank of A is 2, rank of AD is 3. So it is called no solutions exist in this case. For suppose in this number exists, here is 0, here is 0, here is 0 in this number. So this is a number or not. If in case 0 or 1, whatever it may be values. It is called rank of A is equal to 3, rank of AD is equal to 3, unknowns is 3. So it is called unique solution exists. If in case either completely row will be 0, rank of A is equal to 2, rank of AD is equal to 2, but unknowns is 3. It is called infinite number of solutions according to your question. So what is the question? Very simple. So first of all, AX augmented matrix AD. First of all, write down for AD. Our candidate, what is AD? First of all, 1 1 1 XOR form. Second equation I will write down for the 1 minus 5. Here is 3. Here is 10. Second equation 4 1 2 5. Next third equation 9 minus 3 7 20. This is a case you have to remember that which case we can apply. So first of all, your primary duty, that is R2 tends to R2 minus 4R1, because of here is a 4 0. When you are 0, so 4R1 you can multiply. Next R3 tends to R3 minus 9R1. So that is augmented matrix AD is equal to, here is 1 minus 5 3 10. This is R2 minus 4R1 0. Next 1 minus into minus plus 20 means 21. Here is R2 2, R1 4, 3 is a 12 2 means minus 10. Next here is R2, what is R2? 5 minus 4R1 means minus 35. Next 9 minus 9 0. Next here is R3 minus 3 minus into minus plus means second one. So 9 5s are 45. So 45 minus 3, that means 42. Next here is R3 7 minus 27. Here is minus 20 minus 70. We can apply. So this multiplied by second R2 2 we can multiply, we can subtracting for the R3. This is 42 20 70. Depending on the third row, here will be 0, here will be 0, here will be 0. So that is a very simple. So completely R1 will be 0. Rank of A means, here is rank of A is equal to 2. So that means rank of AD is equal to 2. So rank of A is equal to rank of AD is less than 3. Why? Because of X, Y, Z. 3 unknowns, but rank will be 2. Which one? Rank of A is equal to rank of AD less than n. Infinite number of solutions. D answer is the correct answer.